In this video, I will show you how to display network traffic using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Next, we need to install a tool to see network activity. You can use either iftop or nload. Both show real-time network traffic. To install iftop, type this command, sudo apt install iftop, then press enter and enter your password if asked, or if you prefer nload, type sudo apt install nload. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Now, let's run the tool. For iftop type, sudo iftop, this will show you network usage between your system and other IP addresses. For nload, type sudo nload. This shows your total download and upload speed in a simple view. To close the tool, just press the letter Q on your keyboard, and that's it. You have now learned how to monitor your network traffic directly from the terminal in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.